Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this new Poco C61 smartphone. I have ordered this in black color and in Flipkart. Let's unbox this. And at the other side, you can see here it is written Poco C61, and here are some details. You can see its net weight and it is a 4 GB and 64 GB model, product name and quantity. And at the back you can see this radiant ring design, secure side mounted fingerprint has, and it has up to 12 GB RAM, powerful octa-core processor, and it has 90 Hz of large 17.04 centimeter display with Gorilla Glass 3, and it has AI selfie camera also with 5000 mAh of battery life with type C charger port in the box. And it has also micro SD card slot in the mobile phone, and it has 2 plus 1 slot in the card, and it will be extended up to 1 TB storage. Let's unbox this new phone, and here it is, Poco smartphone. Let's keep it aside and see what is in the box. And here you can see it has type USB to type C 1 meter lead, and it has 10 volt of charger. You can see that, and it has a manual also, quick start guide, and a SIM tool. You can see, and let's come to the phone and let's check its performance. Friends, let's come to the phone. Here it is, and it has 5 megapixel of camera, front camera. Here it is volume button up and down. Here it is power button, and in the down here it is type C port and one microphone, and at upwards you can see 3.5 jack, headphone jack, and here it is speaker. Let's open this first. It has 5000 mAh battery, and it's G36 octa-core 2.2 gigahertz of processor, which gives lags free performance. And it has 8 megapixel of back camera with 6.71 inches HD plus 90 Hz display with Gorilla Glass 3, and it has dual SIM supports. And in the box it has handset, 10 volt of charger, USB type C cable, SIM tool ejector, quick start guide, and warranty card. It has 1 year of warranty and 6 months of warranty in the box accessories. It is pretty good. You can see its screen is very soft. You can see it is very smooth. It comes in 3 colors: black, blue, and green. I have ordered in black color. Let's see its performance. Camera test, video test, resolution, and its sound test. And let it quick start it. Friends, here you can see it is open. Then you have to select the language like English India. Then you have to press on next. Then you have to click on region India, and here it is, press on next. And here you have to just click on this. I have read terms and condition, user agreement, and privacy policy. Press on next. And here you have to connect the network. Just skip this first for a moment. And here you have to enter the Wi-Fi password to connect the Wi-Fi. Just enter the pass key like this and connect this. And it is getting your phone ready. Friends, here it is the copy apps and data. You have to click on don't copy, and it is checking informations. Friends, here you can see it asks for sign in. You have to just skip this. You have to do it later. Just disallow all these and click on accept. Friends, then you have to choose your search engine like Google, and here you have to press next, and then you have to set a pin pattern. You can see pin pattern password. You have to select one of them. I have choose pattern. Then you have to click on next like this and click on confirm. You can see, and then you have to set up your fingerprint. Just skip this for a moment, face lock, skip this and click on OK. Getting your phone ready, this may take a few minutes. Then you have to just remove all these and click on next. Getting ready. Friends, it's open now, and let's check its camera quality also. Go to your camera, and here I have take some pictures. Click on this. And you can see, friends, it is very clear photo. You can see that. And I will show you the resolution, highest quality video you will make. Just click on the video icon. Here you can see at the right corner 1080 pixel and 30 fps, and it has 720 pixel and 1080 pixel. Let's check it sound quality also. Go to your YouTube, and here you have to search music. Just allow this, click on search button. Here you have to type music. And friends, you have to just click on it simply, and you can see its volume. Friends, you can see it. Why? And let's check its video quality also. Sound quality is very good. You can purchase it from the Flipkart. I have given the link in the description, and here you can just get it. And just open this song, and here you can see the video. And let's check it's how much we can increase the quality. And you can see it has 1080 pixels. You have to just click on it. You can see the quality. I hope you like this unboxing. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.